If you buckle down, you start working hard. For example, Johnny, you'll have to buckle down if you want to pass your exams. Peter was forced to buckle down and finish the project on time. Notice that we can use the preposition to after buckle down to show what kind of hard work we need to do. The driver buckled down to some serious driving and showed what enormous talent he had. I always buckle down to my duties before I leave for home.
Freddie, I have taught my kids to buckle down and do what they're supposed to.
That's awesome, Barney.
Did you enjoy it? Then subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for joining us.